A Johnny the girl magnet. Anywhere we go the girl them a rolling quick. Rolling quick.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And people, the wait is over because Vybz Kartel dropped the song we're entitled DESO IT DEH. And people, me know say everybody and their mother is eagerly awaiting this song. Well, it's finally here. And guess what me I go do? Me I go review it for you know. Me I go tell you everything you wanna miss so you can go listen it over and over and over again and say, but at that Kartel did say. Thank you, Chaddy. You see me? So, we are going to review Vybz Kartel DESO IT DEH. So, stay tuned.
You may say you know the key attack and you catch your prey. Make sure you subscribe to Chaddy TV. Comment, like, and share. You know, so if you click the notification bell because it's right there. I'm out.
A Johnny the girl magnet. Anywhere we go the girl them a rolling quick. Rolling quick. Big body girl side of me. Money talk more grander finalist. Pull up over El Shago find a dish. We no yam dog and no China this.
So people from your ear that flow there, you know say a Kartel style where him a go give you lyrics pan top of lyrics pan top of lyrics pan top of lyrics can done. You see me? Big body girl side of me. Yo, Jano Star. Up to now, me feel said a little line there. I want the baddest line them in a this song. You see it? So Vybz Kartel say money talk more grand than finalists. You know, like grand final. So the man say, yo, money talk more grand than finalists. Pull up in a El Shago, find a dish. In a name dog and a China dish. Cause people remember, you know, it's always rumored and China always I get allegations say, yo, them eat dog. You see me? Chinese food, them must see a dog, them cook and a bag of things. You see me? So Vybz Kartel I say, yo, him pull up over El Shago, find a dish. And we all know say, yo, no pun intended or nothing at all, and don't why me in the comment section. A fish them sell over Elsha. So the man never say yo pull up over Elsha go find a swim around or go find a fish. You see me? The man say pull up over Elsha go find a dish and just drop it right there so. Yo. Anyway, me could pre more of this song.
Yo, what DESO IT DEH? DESO IT DEH. DESO IT DEH. Well, DESO IT DEH. DESO IT DEH. Welcome the world great, make your girl skate. Back way, drop the drawers, make the skirt stay. See him some ram dance all from the first day. Still sick, fuck red cross, fuck first year.
So right now, yes, a Kartel and him alien brain I say, yo, welcome the world great, make your girl skate. The man a drop down the girl jaws and make the skirt stay. So you know say him a lean her up over one part and just a drop it and then a lovey-dovey something. You see me? And hear the part where I like, hear the part where I rate, hear the hit line in it. The man say, yo, I see him say him ram dance from the first day and people. You know say when Vybz Kartel a ram a dance, him really a ram a dance, you know. You see me? Girl people from all over. So imagine a girl a get ram like that. Jano Star, yo, I would a brother your brain forward from a must for out of Pluto. A alien this man brain forward from, you see me?
So fucking high, every bird freed. Bad slave with no sign to no workplace. Merman have the bomb of them we make the earth shake. Serious, me we fuck your gal before the first date. Big body girl side of me. Money talk more grander finalist. Pull up over El Shago find a dish. We no yam dog and no China this.
So people, this is what I want to do. And you tell me in the comment section how you like that song so far. You feel like say the wait was a waste of time. You tell me in the comment section. But for me still, I like how that song you go on. You see me? You know say Kartel them know how to put words together and a bag of things, and people remember say we not done this song yet, you know man. The man I go talk a bag of things. You see it? So, you tell me in the comment section how you like that song so far. You see it? Yo, what DESO IT DEH? DESO IT DEH? DESO IT DEH? DESO that song you there.
Yo, what DESO IT DEH? DESO IT DEH. DESO IT DEH. Well, DESO IT DEH. DESO IT DEH. Yeah. Pull up in at the beam, I don't be from flank to gully Glen Devon.
So this is one of the things them when we rate about Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel always find some place a big up. That's why Jamaica always about Vybz Kartel, you know, cause that man big up. Me no see no parish in a Jamaica where that man never big up yet. Me no see no parish in a Jamaica where Vybz Kartel never big up. The man all school too. When you look at that, because remember him do school song. So people will always respect and appreciate him work. Because remember, you know, you see for once you forward from one part and you hear Vybz Kartel a big up your place, you're not gonna rate him. All foreign them man they big up. Them man they talk about some place, so me have to look in a dictionary and Google to find what they want to talk about. And him a go talk about some of them places they in that song. So just stay tuned.
You stay Gaza. Them a send me overrate. I just grade me overgrade. From I was a sperm, we touch the egg we ovulate.
So right now Vybz Kartel address. So right now Vybz Kartel address the detractors. You see me? The people them we say, yo, you know say Vybz Kartel overrated. The man say no, and I rate him overrated. You see me? I great him and great. You see it? He's the greatest of all time. And him just make you know say, yo, you see, because people rate we, and not just necessarily them that just get up and rate we so and say, yo, me rate Vybz Kartel. Them rate Vybz Kartel for a reason. You see it? So the man I say, yo, and I rate him overrated. I great him overgreat.
Boy, no got no gal, the Mr. Beat. Balladonia, so we straight from Portmore City to the world, King of Rain.
So people, that was the first puzzling part in the song so far. In the second verse, so me I say, yo, what you mean by Balladonia, so we straight? You see me? Because I don't sing the song that when him Big Baller. You see me? Him a big up Donia. I say, yo, him straight like how Donia straight. You see me? I mean, cause you didn't know say Vybz Kartel and I Donia did never necessarily in a one little friction, but them did in a one little something. You see me? Where them did a pre them one another. So me I say, yo, it look like say everything seal up now. So when we go so booms and I take a deeper look in the thing and Balladonia. You see me? So you don't know say this is what I find out. So Balladonia is a small community located in the western part of Australia, you see me? And you see, Balladonia a stretch of highway, we known as the Air Highway, travel through Balladonia, and that highway is the longest, is believed to be the longest stretch of road in the world, you see me? So the man I say, yo, like Balladonia are so straight. So Vybz Kartel, you could make it simple and just say, yo, we straight like one straight road or straight like one straight highway 2000 or something like so. I could know see a road. You have to carry it go all over Australia. We are another part of the world. Yo, that's why I'm rated still, because always I make we are doing research for find out what you mean. Because you could have just keep it simple, but you say no, like Balladonia are so straight. You see me, I make all people think say, yo, I don't hear you talk about, because I don't have the big song there when you're Big Baller. All me get tricked. John no star.
Me are the best to ever do it and you know it. Stop read Shakespeare, I'm the poet. Murder everybody on the track, Jesse Owen. Way above the others to be honest.
Alright, so Vybz Kartel do it again. Him say, yo, he murder everything on the track, Jesse Owens. You see me? So who is Jesse Owens? Jesse Owens is a 4-time Olympic medalist. You see me? An American track and field athlete. You see it? So Vybz Kartel could have say, yo, he murder everything on the track, you know, Usain Bolt. Or him could have say, he murder everything on the track, Shelly and Fraser. You see me? And he said, no, we are going to take it out of that generation. Yeah? Is that, yo, the brother you one long time, man, you know, the brother you born in a 1913, you know, and in dead 1980, you know. So, you know, say, as an old time, something might give you for research.
Freestyle time, but for dollars, for the dollars. Now tell me about more money, give you problems. Give me the loot, Christopher Wallace. Fear and no fear, any king or any palace. We are the bodies.
And that's the next part in the song where probably the typical person would have to go research. But me, they kind of know the part here already. The man said, give me the loot, Christopher Wallace. And for all who don't know who is Christopher Wallace is Notorious B.I.G. You see me? Biggie. I saw Vybz Kartel deal with it. Anyway, still, that's the end of my review. So people wanna tell me what you think in the comment section below. You see, if you feel like say that song is bad, how much you grade that song? Or you feel like say a fool in this Vybz Kartel I do. Everything Vybz Kartel I do from what day, it a miss. Me personally, still, me like that song because any song where make you can go research and do some homework about it, me I tell you, it's a bad song. Any song where use up wordplay in the way how Vybz Kartel do it, and I say, yo dog, dog, what you mean by that? And if you watch a review, you have to watch Chaddy more review for him explain and I tell you what go on in it. That's most about song, man. So wanna tell me in the comment section which line was your favorite line. You see me? And people, remember, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you don't, well, state in the comment section why you don't. Click the like button as well. And if it's the first time watching, thanks for watching. Welcome to the Chaddy TV. We do them review ya every time, you see it. So just kindly click the subscribe button and turn on post notification while you're at it. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. You see me? Follow me over Instagram too, at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And I'm out.
Big body girl side of me. Money talk more grand than finalist. Pull up over El Shago find a dish. We know them dog and no China this.